Hello everyone, today I'll be talking on diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy is a disease which is caused because of high blood sugar and it affects your retina, and in retina it specifically affects your small blood vessels. Blood vessels मतलब जो आपकी छोटी नसें होती हैं रेटिना के ऊपर वो उनको affect करता है. So the second question is, who is at risk? People with type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes are at risk. If you are having a diabetes and along with that you are also having hypertension or heart disease or kidney disease, that means जो patient kidney की disease की वजह से dialysis पे हैं वो भी उसी risk पे हैं. So the third question is, what as a patient you can do? As a patient, I would recommend that you should get your retina checked even if you have no symptoms. Symptoms का मतलब अगर आपको कोई आँख की प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है तो भी आपको हर 6 महीने में अपना आँख का चेकअप कराना चाहिए, स्पेसिफिकली रेटिना का चेकअप कराना चाहिए, जिससे कि आपके डॉक्टर्स आपको देखें so that they can see your retina and see if you are falling under any of the diabetic retinopathy staging. So diabetic retinopathy per se have 1 to 5 stages, so your doctor can see and decide do you need treatment or you just need a follow-up. So as I've told you, it can be no symptoms, मतलब आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता चलेगा, आपको कोई आँख की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, but you can also face problems like blurred vision, or you can see a black spot kind of a thing which is coming in front of your vision. Sometimes people do complain of night vision problem. Few of the problems which you can face when you are having a diabetic retinopathy. So in the management part, majority of the times in early stages, that is stage 1 or stage 2, these symptoms can be easily managed by controlling your own blood sugar and having a good diet plan. For the diet plan, you can always consult a dietitian. But when you surpasses the stage 2, you go into stage 3, 4 or 5, you need a retina specialist to treat you. For treatment and for investigating you, we do have modalities like clicking a picture of your fundus or OCT, by which we can get to know what all problems you are facing and what all specific treatment you want. Having said that, the most important thing is prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. मतलब आप अपनी शुगर कंट्रोल करें और इस स्टेज तक पहुँचे ही ना जहाँ तक आपको ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़े.